Saving money feels impossible for most people, but what if there was a proven way to reach $10,000 faster than you ever imagined? No extreme budgeting. No giving up everything you love. Just real, practical steps that work. Follow these strategies, and you'll be on your way to financial freedom. 1. The $10,000 mindset shift. Most people fail to save because they don't have a clear plan. First, define your goal. Why do you need $10,000? What will you do with it? How will saving it change your life? When your goal is crystal clear, saving becomes easier. 2. Identify and eliminate money leaks. Without realizing it, you could be losing hundreds of dollars every month. Here's what to cut immediately. Unused subscriptions, Netflix, gym memberships, apps, daily coffee and takeout. Brew at home, meal prep, impulse online shopping. Use a 24-hour rule before buying, delivery fees and ride shares, pick up food. Use public transport. These small changes alone could save you $300 to $500 per month. 3. Increase your income. Cutting expenses is just one side of the equation. The real game changer? Earning more. Fastest ways to boost your income. Ask for a raise. List your accomplishments and negotiate. Start a side hustle, freelancing, online tutoring, selling digital products, sell unused items, electronics, clothes, furniture. Even an extra $500 to $1,000 per month speeds up your journey. 4. Automate your savings. If you don't see it, you won't spend it. Set up an automatic transfer. Move at least 20% of your income to a savings account. Use Roundup apps that save spare change from your purchases. Open a high-yield savings account to make your money grow. This ensures savings happen before you have a chance to spend. 5. The 50-30-20th rule. To reach $10,000 fast, structure your finances smartly. 50% needs, rent, food, utilities. 30% future growth, savings, investments, debt payoff. 20% lifestyle, travel, entertainment, shopping. Prioritizing savings first makes a huge difference. 6. Bank every extra dollar. Most people waste unexpected money. Don't make that mistake. 100% of bonuses, tax refunds, and gifts should go to savings. Extra paychecks, if paid bi-weekly, should be saved, not spent. Credit card cash back and refunds? Straight into savings. This could add up to thousands per year. 7. Make your money work for you. Saving is great, but growing your money is even better. Smart investment moves. High-yield savings accounts. Earn more on your savings. S&P 500 index funds. Average 8 to 10% annual returns. Real estate crowdfunding. Invest in property without buying a house. Your money should always be working, not sitting. The Fast Track Challenge. Save $10,000 in 6 months. $1,667 per month. Use all the strategies above. $417 per week. Automate savings, side hustle, cut expenses. $56 per day. Skip unnecessary spending and invest wisely. Stick to this plan, and $10,000 will be yours in no time. The key to success. Most people fail at saving because they rely on willpower. But systems always win. Automate your savings, cut wasteful spending, increase income streams, invest and grow your money now. The question is, how fast can you reach $10,000? Comment below with your target date. Like and subscribe for more financial hacks.